Hello everyone, this is Tanu and in this video I am gonna continue the topics of scalar and vector. Okay, let's begin. First one, parallel forces. What do you mean by parallel forces? Forces are said to be in parallel if their lines of an action are in parallel. It means the direction of the forces in same are moving in a same direction and same way, so that is what parallel forces. And second point, parallel forces acting in a same direction are like parallel force. If the two forces are moving in a same direction, then it is called as a like parallel force. Third point, parallel forces acting in a different directions are unlike parallel forces. Means if the two forces are moving in opposite direction but they are parallel, if it is moving in opposite direction, then it is called as an unlike parallel forces. You can see the figure A and B. Figure A is a parallel force as well as a like parallel force, and figure B is an unlike parallel force. Next one, moment of turning force or else moment of torque, it can be called. Then first point is the rotational effect produced by the force. It means when a force is applied to some body, if it rotates, then the process is called as a moment of a torque. Second point, it is a product of a force and the perpendicular distance of the force from the point of rotation. It means, so when the force is applied to a body from one side and it perpendicular distance also the force is applied, then from the point of rotation, then it is called as a moment of force or else a torque, and its formula is F into D, force into distance, and SI unit is Newton meter and dimension is L2 m t raised to minus 2. So this is a very important thing to remember, the SI unit and dimension of a moment of a force, couple, and moment of a couple. And next, types of a moment of torque. So when the force is applied to a body, if it rotates a clockwise direction, then it is called as a negative momentum, or else if the body rotates in anti-clockwise direction, then it is called as a positive momentum. Next topic is a couple. If two equal unlike parallel forces are not acting on a straight line, that means it constitutes a couple, or else two equal unlike parallel forces acting on a body is also constitute a couple. So here moment of couple means the rotational effect of an couple is called a moment of couple. It can be denoted by C. The formula for a moment of couple is F into D, is nothing but the product of one of the force forming the couple and the perpendicular distance between the forces. And SI unit for moment of couple is Newton meter and dimension is L2 m t raised to minus 2. So work done by the couple for one rotation is 2 pi c, whereas for n rotations is 2 pi c n. Okay, then conditions for equilibrium, where the condition is when the number of coplanar parallel forces are acting on a body simultaneously. It means coplanar forces means when two or more forces moving in a same plane, either it may be in a space plane or vacuum plane, whatever. In that condition, the algebraic sum of forces is equal to the 0 when it should not produce a translation motion. Okay, then next one, the algebraic sum of moment of a force is equals to 0 where it also not produce the rotational motion. Next one, in the bottom corner you can see one box, that means sum of the positive forces is always equal to the sum of the negative forces. It means, and you can say this in another words, means sum of a force acting in one direction is always equal to the sum of the forces acting in opposite direction. Okay, then this will complete some of the important points and concepts from the scalar and vector chapter, and analyze it and read it well for your upcoming CET and for also required exams. Okay, thanks for watching the videos guys, and hope you like this video, and if you did like this one, please do like, subscribe and share and comment also, and share with your friends that help for your friends also, and by doing this it also encourages me to make me more videos on these all concepts. Thank you.